in Moban or Sudanese or African language, gin is a thing. Gin is thing. Gin, 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 thing, 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 thing. Gin, 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 thing, thing, thing. Gin, 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 thing, 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 thing. Gin, 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 thing, 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 thing. Gin, 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 thing, 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 thing.